All right, the last one that I found that was kind of a little bit misleading is number 9. I feel like the student got the right. Well, I can't say the right answer. The student got the same answer as the answer key, but I feel again the answer key is wrong in this one. Um, Essentially, this one is a little bit less um, subjective than the previous one, mainly because, all right, if they're telling me that this bottom triangle PML and the top triangle JKL are similar triangles, then what I'm going to do initially is, even if they didn't tell me that they were similar triangles, I would try to match up the angles. And then, okay, I would say, all right, this angle right here is the same as that angle right there. That I think those are called opposite angles. And then I think what they're trying to imply is that this line up on top is parallel to that line on the bottom. And if that's the case, then this angle right here is the same as that angle right here. That's opposite interior angles. And the same goes for this one right here and this one right here. Now, if that's the case, which it really does imply that that is the case, then if I were to say redraw this triangle, because I always say, hey, look, if you have two triangles and you're trying to claim that they're similar, draw them side by side. So I'm just going to cut that one. I'm going to paste him, and I'm going to move him here, and then I'm going to rotate it in such a way where the angles are facing the same direction. So this black angle is going up, and this guy's going to the side, and then this guy's going to the right side. Now, if this is the case, if this is indeed the case, then you don't have enough data to solve the problem. You can't relate these similar triangles because you can't say 16 is to 10 what 22 is to x, because what you're doing is you're saying this side is to this side what this side is to this side, and that just doesn't work because you don't have a number there. So in essence, you didn't give enough information for this problem to be solved. Now, if we were to continue this, and let me just kind of make my recommendation on how to fix it. I think that what you intended was to have the 10 on that side. Now, if that were the case, then you could say something like 16 over 10 is equal to 22 over x. And then you have 16x is equal to 220, and then x is equal to whatever 220 is divided by 16, which is 13.75. But as it stands, with the 10 on this side, the problem doesn't have enough information for a student to solve.